how to transfer money via Botim wallet to Mashreq Bank. So if you want to transfer money via Botim wallet to Mashreq Bank, then what you need to do is first you just need simply head over to the Botim application. Once inside, be sure that you've logged into your account, and once you've logged in, you need to simply tap on the money icon, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is select a wallet or go to pay. Then simply tap on send money. After that, select the bank transfer and select UA bank transfer. Then add bank as a beneficiary. Then add a new beneficiary and enter the beneficiary name. It must match the Mashreq account. Once that's done, simply tap on save and you may receive an OTP to confirm the beneficiary. Next, you need to install, enter the transfer amount, and review the transfer fees. Simply tap on continue, and that's it. Once you've done, you'll see a success confirmation and transfer appear in your Botim history section. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.